Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M6T, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example, and once it's open and visible on the screen, simply press and hold the power key and volume down, so both of them at the same time. We'll have this animation right here, and from here you can shrink it if you want to, just to capture less of an image, or if you're satisfied with the entire screenshot, just click on save, and there we go, we're done. So that is how you can take it using shortcuts. There's also a toggle right here in the notification panel which does the same thing. Tap on it, captures a screenshot, and for some reason brings up some info, whatever. Now both of those screenshots can be found in our photo gallery, so let's open that gallery. There we go. Let's go to albums and screenshots, and there they are, as you can see. So that is how you'd capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.